Hello everyone, I am Karanjan and I welcome you back on our channel Pably. Today in this video we will learn how to use WhatsApp for marketing of your hair transplant clinic. Okay, so the idea here is you have recently opened a clinic for hair transplant and you have advertised about your clinic on Facebook. Okay. Now, new customers, new leads every day are entering your advertisement, and the problem is whenever a new lead is generated through your Facebook ad, you have to send them the brochure of your clinic. But again, the problem is if you'll follow the manual process, you have to first collect the data of your new lead, then you have to manually type a message for them, add the link of the brochure, and finally send it to them on WhatsApp. This process will be very long, which will kill your time unnecessarily. So to save your time, I suggest you to bring some automation here. You want something like, you have advertised about your clinic on Facebook, okay? Now whenever a new lead is generated, whenever a customer will enter your advertisement, automatically a form will pop up, okay? On successful form submission, automatically they will receive a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. So for that, here I have used two applications. First, I have used Facebook. I've used this platform to advertise about my clinic. And secondly, I've used WhatsApp. You know, it's a famous chatting app to send them the link and the message on WhatsApp, okay, to the customer. But here I have to face one more problem. The problem is there is no direct link or integration between these two applications. So how I have performed the automation? Let me tell you. With the help of Pably Connect. Now you people will say, what is Pably Connect? So Pably Connect is an integration and automation software. What it will do, it will help us to link both of these applications together so that every time a new lead is generated through our advertisement on Facebook, automatically on successful form submission, a WhatsApp message will be sent to that customer with the link of the brochure. Amazing, right? Now let me tell you one more amazing fact. To use this software Pably Connect, you need not to be from a technical background. A non-technical person can also use this software very easily. Now let me show you a real-time example on my screen. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is how exactly the form will appear in front of the customer. Now customer will fill up the form and on successful form submission, they will receive a WhatsApp message. So I have opened my WhatsApp web page for you. Now we will submit the form on behalf of our customer. Let's say the customer's email ID is tina000@gmail.com. The name of our customer is Tina Manuel and this is the phone number. Now I'll click on next and now I'll click on submit. So we have successfully submitted the form. Now let me take you to my WhatsApp web page and we will wait for 2-3 seconds here until the message arrives. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, a message has just arrived for Tina Manuel. Let's see. The message says, "Hello Tina Manuel, thank you for showing your interest in hair transplant clinic. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our hair transplant. Here is the link. For more details, you can visit our website www.hairclinic.com. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Okay, that's why this link is not clickable because I haven't saved the number. Thank you. Regards, Hair Transplant Clinic." Now let me copy the link for you and let me open it in my new tab and we'll see if the link opens the same image which I want to send to my customer or not. Yes guys, you can clearly see this is the particular image. Here you can see Hair Transplant Clinic, the name of the clinic is given and I intend to send the same image to my customers. Now you must be thinking, how is this possible? Just by filling up the form, automatically a customer has received the WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure or the image. So guys, let me show you the process on my screen now. Okay guys, before we start with the process, let me tell you 3 easy steps of integration as you can see on my screen. Step number 1 says connect Pably Connect to Facebook lead ads with the help of webhook URL. So what we're going to do first is, we will log in into our Pably Connect account. Then we will integrate Facebook lead ads with Pably Connect. Why? Because we have run an advertisement on our Facebook account and the customer will see our advertisement, will reaches to our advertisement and there he will fill up the form. So first it is important to integrate Facebook lead ad. So we will do it with the help of webhook URL. I'll show it to you the process on my screen further. Now step number 2 says collect the data from Facebook lead ads in Pably Connect account. So as I have told you, the customer will reaches the advertisement and automatically a form will pop up. Now they will fill up the form and they will submit the form. So after successful submission of the form, I want the details of that customer to get transferred into Pabbly Connect. So step number 2 says the same, and step number 3 says send the brochure to the customer on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So guys, in the final step, we will be sending the link of the brochure with the message to our customer on WhatsApp. But here's the twist: we are not directly integrating WhatsApp. Instead, we are integrating 360 dialog. Why? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that, you have to use another software that is official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 dialog. So guys, let me start. Let's start with the process now. Okay guys, so to start with the process, you have to first open your browsers, come to the search engine, and here you have to search for Pabbly. Type Pabbly, remember, Pabbly, okay. Press enter. And as you can see, this is the website page of Pabbly. What you have to do next is click on products, and you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly. Today we are using Connect, so click on Connect. Okay, so we have reached to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now for the first time users, if you can see a green button at my right corner which says sign up for free, guys, you have to click here, and you can create your free account, completely free account, in just 2 minutes. Because I am already logged in, so I'll click on sign in. Okay, once again you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly. As you know, today we are using Connect, so come on Connect and click on access now. And this is how the dashboard of Pabbly Connect looks. Okay, now we have to create a new workflow. So for that, you can see a blue button at my right corner. Click here, and now you have to name your workflow. So let's say I'll name my workflow as Facebook to WhatsApp. And now I'll click on create. Guys, I have given the name to my workflow as the name of the applications which I am integrating today. You can name your workflow accordingly. Okay, click on create. And now we have reached to the workflow. Here we will be performing the steps of integration. Okay, you can see the name of the title which I have given, Facebook to WhatsApp. Now, let me give you one important information, guys. The workflow which we are creating today, this current workflow, I'll add the link of this same workflow into my description box. You can click on the link, and you can clone the same workflow directly into your free Pabbly Connect account. So don't forget to go and check the link. Okay. Now let's read out what it is written here first. It is written: trigger when this happens, choose your first application trigger. Action, do this, choose your next application action. Now you people must be thinking, what is this trigger and what is this action? So let me tell you, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. In this case, the trigger event will be submission of the form. So you have run an advertisement on your Facebook account. The customer will reach to your advertisement and automatically a form will be popped up. So they will fill up the form, and on successful form submission, so this will be our trigger event. The fill up submission of the form is our trigger event. And the action, what is the response we want? We want automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to them with the link of the brochure. So this is the action, this is the response. So you understood, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. So now we will integrate our first application. For that, you have to click here, come to the search field, and here you have to search for Facebook lead ads. Okay, as you can see on my screen, I'll click this. And now a new field of trigger event has emerged in front of me. Now if I'll click this arrow, I can see the particular trigger event. The trigger event is new lead. I'll choose this, and now I'll click on connect. So a mini window will emerge in front of me asking for 2 options: add new connection and choose existing connection. I'll click on add new connection, and now I'll click on connect with Facebook lead ads because I'm already logged in from my Facebook account. So I've been successfully authorized in. Now guys, you can see 2 options, 2 fields are given to us which we have to fill. The first field is for the page and the second field is for lead generation form. So here we have to map the particular page which you have created for the workflow. So let me take you to my account on Facebook first, and let me show you the pages, the particular page which I have created for this workflow. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my account on Facebook. Now come to the left corner here, among the options you can see pages. Click here and you can see various pages which I have created for different workflow in my Facebook account. Now let me show you the particular page which I have created for this workflow. Let me search for that. Okay. Okay, here is the particular page, hair transplant clinic. Let me show it to you. Okay, so guys, this is the page which I want to map in my Pabbly Connect account. So let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account and let me show it to you how you can map the page there. Okay, come to pages, click on this arrow, and you can see all of the pages in the drop down. These pages are the same pages which are there in my Pabbly Connect account. Okay, I'll search for the page, or I can type here hair transplant clinic. As you can see, I've chosen this page, and automatically the form which is linked with this page or integrated with this page will appear here. Okay, now I'll click on save. Guys, now let me take you to the form which we have created for the customer. But before that, let me tell you, guys, I haven't run any live advertisement on my Facebook account, so I cannot show you how from the Facebook account the customers will see the page. For that, I'll use a different website which is Facebook for developers. So it is a test website which is used to test the examples. So there I can show you the form, how the customers will see the form and how we'll submit the form on behalf of the customer. So let me take you to the website first. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is the website Facebook for developers, and here you can see the form. This is the particular form I have created for my customers. You can see here the details which have been asked for the customers. So we will enter the details here. Okay, let's say our customer's email ID is sam000@gmail.com. Okay, now the full name is Sam John. Let me enter the mobile number. Okay, as you can see on my screen, we have successfully entered all the details of our customer. Now I'll click on next and I'll click on submit. So we have successfully submitted the form. Now let's go to our Pabbly Connect account and let me show it to you how you can capture the responses of your customer there. Okay guys, here where it is written save and send test request, you have to click here and we will see if the responses has been captured successfully or not. You can completely see guys all the responses, all the information about our customer, the email ID, the name and the number has been successfully captured here in Pabbly Connect. So we have successfully integrated our first application, which is Facebook lead ads, with Pabbly Connect. Now we'll jump to our next and final step, where we'll be integrating 360 dialog to send messages to our customer on WhatsApp. Guys, why we are integrating 360 dialog here instead of WhatsApp? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that, you have to use another software, which is official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 dialog. Okay. So click on your next application, come to the search field, and here you have to search for 360 dialog. As you can see on my screen, I'll click this. Now a new field of action event has emerged in front of me. I'll click this arrow and you can see the various action events on my screen. Now I want to choose this particular action event, send template message. So I'll choose this and now I'll click on connect. So a mini window will emerge in front of you asking for two options. First is add new connection, second is choose existing connection. So I'll click on add new connection and now it is asking us to fill up two fields guys. First it is asking to fill API key and then the domain. So let's read out the description to see if from where we can find the value of API key. Okay, so here it is written enter API key. Here you can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. Okay, and in domain it is written enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key, example waba.360dialog.io. Okay, so guys, let me take you to my 360 dialog account first. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my account on 360 dialog. Now if you are in doubt how I have reached to my account on 360 dialog or how I have created my account on 360 dialog, so for that we have created a separate video and I have added the link of that video in my description box. Guys, I have added one more link in my description box. Now if you'll go through that link, you can avail the services of this particular application 360 dialog at very affordable price instead of the usual price they charge. So don't forget to go and check both of the links. Now let me show it to you from where you can find the API key. Okay, come to the left corner here. You can see three options are given to you. Click on WhatsApp accounts. Okay, come to the right corner below. Now here you can see a blue button is given to you which says generate API key. Guys, you have to click this button and your API key will be generated along with the domain. Now listen to this. This is a one-time process, so you have to generate your API key only once. The same API key and the domain can be used for different workflows, so you don't have to do it again and again. As I have told you, this process is it's been done only once, so I have already generated my API key and the domain as well. I'll copy the API key and domain. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect account, come here and paste it accordingly. Here the API key and the domain. Now click on save and you will be automatically being authorized in back to your workflow. Now guys, because of some security reasons, I cannot show you this process, but it is very simple. Once again, let me tell it to you. Come to your 360 Dialog account. Click on this button, generate API key. It's a one-time process. Your API key will be generated along with the domain. Copy the API key, go back to Pabbly Connect, paste it here, then copy domain, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it here. Now click on save and you will be automatically authorized in back to your workflow. So guys, let me do this process and we will directly meet in our workflow. Okay. So guys, you can see on my screen, we have been successfully authorized in back to our workflow. Now we have to fill up the required field. The first field is asking us for the template. So let me show it to you what is template first. Let's go back to our account on 360 Dialog. Now besides generate API key, it is written show details. So click here and you can see three options at the top. Click on templates. So guys, you can see on my screen, this is here you can see various templates I have created for different workflow. Now for this particular workflow, I have created a template. Let me show it to you. If I'll come down here, you can see the name of my template is send brochure final. And let me open it for you. So guys, you can see the template is nothing but just the body of message which we will send to our customer. Let me read it out for you. Hello. Thank you for showing your interest in. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our link. For more details, you can visit our website. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards 6. So guys, now you must be thinking, what are these numbers which are given in double boxes? So these numbers are nothing but they are just the variables which will be keep changing according to the information of the customer. For example, in the place of number 1, the name of the customer will come. So let's say the name of the customer is Sam John. You can see guys, as soon as I have entered the name of the customer in body field 1, the number, the variable has changed to the value, the original value. So same goes with body field 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is just for an example to show you. Now let me show it to you how you can create a template. If you'll go up here, you can see a blue button at your right corner which says add template. So guys, you have to click this and the format of template will appear in front of you. Now you can name your template from here. You can choose the particular language, in which language you want the body of SMS, and finally you will type the body of SMS here. Okay guys, now after creating the template, you have to click on preview and submit. Guys, it is very important. After you create the template, you have to send the template for approval. The approval process is done by Facebook, okay? And the approval process takes from 2 hours to 2 days. If I'll tell you in general, the approval process is done within a day. But guys, it is very important to first create the template and send it for approval. Why I'm telling you it again and again? Because without the approval process, you cannot use your template in any of the workflow. Let me show it to you on my screen that all my templates are approved. As you can see, all my templates are showing approved here. That's why I can use the templates. Okay. Now, the template which I have shown it to you, the particular template, I have to map this template in my Pabbly Connect account. So I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account. I'll come to the template column. Now here I'll click this arrow. Here you can see all the templates which are there in my 360 Dialog account. The same templates can be seen here in the scroll down. Now I'll search for the particular template. My template is send brochure final. So I'll click this and let it load, guys. So we have successfully mapped our template. Now these two fields, you need not to do anything about it. Namespace will be automatically be filled up and same is with language code. So here in the language code, it is written EN, guys. EN stands for English. Let me show it to you. If I'll go back to my account on 360 Dialog, here you can see under the language section, it is written EN, 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 EN. So this shows that all our templates are in the English language. because EN is the code for English. EN stands for English. So here you need not to do anything for these two fields. Now come to your next field, which is recipient mobile number. Okay. We have to map the mobile number of our customer. So guys, let me tell you one more thing. What is mapping data? If you'll click this field, a scroll down will appear in front of you. Now, if you'll click this responses scroll down, you can see all the responses here. These responses are the same responses which we have captured above here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now, this feature of mapping data is given to you by Pabbly Connect because whenever you are required to fill up the fields, you need not to go up. Okay, search for the value, copy it, then come down and paste it here. What you can do instead, you can simply map the data. How? Click on the search field, come down to the responses and search for the particular value. It is asking for the mobile number, so I'll choose the particular mobile number. Okay, now the body fields have started. As I have shown you in my template, the body fields are nothing but they are the variables, and in front of the body fields it is given you, the examples are given to you, so you can understand how in which body field what you have to fill. And one more thing guys, here I have created my template, so I have given the variables according to my need. But when you will create your template, you can always add or subtract the variables. It is not necessary to create 6 variables or 2 variables. You can create endless variables or according to your choice. Now come to the body field 1. Here in the example it is given Heather Ali, so we have to map the name of our customer. How? You will click on the search field, come to the responses, search for the particular value. We want the name of the customer. Here it is. I'll click this and we have mapped the name. Now come to body field 2. In example it is written Pabbly Connect. So here we have to enter the name of our store or the service provider or the name of the clinic. Okay, so the name of my clinic is Hair Transplant Clinic. Okay. Now in body field 3, in the example it is given software. So here we have to write the product name or the service name. So what we are providing hair transplant. So here we will write again hair transplant. Okay. Now in body field 4, in the example, a link is given to you. So guys, this link is nothing but here we have to add the link of the brochure or the image which we want to send to our customer. So I have uploaded the link, the image or the PDF file in my Google Drive account. So let me take you to my Google Drive account and let me show it to you, the image, and let me show it to you how you can get the link as well. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my account on Google Drive. Now let me show you the particular image which I want to send to my customer. Let me open photos and images. Okay, so this is the particular image guys, you can see on my screen. Let it load. Okay, I want to share this image with my customers on WhatsApp. So I'll come to the right corner here and where it is written more options. I'll click on share. Okay, let it load. Now I'll get the link, but before that I'll check the status what it is written. It is written anyone on the internet with this link can view. Okay, then I'll copy the link. I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account, come to my body field 4 and simply I'll paste it here. Okay, simple. Now in body field 5 it is written in the example website name. So here we have to enter the name of our website if there is any. So let's say the website name is www.hairclinic.com. Okay guys, I'm telling you again and again, this is just for an example. The template I have created, I have added 6 fields in that, but you can create your template according to yourself. You can add or subtract the variables according to yourself. Okay, if you don't want to keep any variable for website, you can of course remove it. Okay, now in body field 6, again in the example it is written Pabbly, so we have to enter the name of our clinic, which is Hair Transplant Clinic. Okay, so guys, we have successfully filled up all the fields here. Let's check one more time. We have chosen the template, the namespace and language code. Now recipient mobile number we have mapped. We have mapped the name of our customer. We have written the clinic name. Now we have written the service we are providing. We have added the image.
Here is the website, and finally again the clinic name. Now I'll click on save and send test request, and we will see if our responses are positive or not, if there is any error showing. No guys, there is no error showing in our responses. So our responses are successful. Now let me take you to my WhatsApp web page and let me show it to you if our customer has received any WhatsApp message or not. Guys, as you can clearly see on my screen, a message has just arrived for Sam John which says, "Hello Sam John, thank you for showing your interest in hair transplant clinic. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our hair transplant. Link is given to you. For more details, you can visit our website www.hairclinic.com. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Okay, that's why this link is not clickable, because I haven't saved the number. Thank you, regards, Hair Transplant Clinic. Now guys, let me copy the link for you and let me open it in my new tab, so we'll see if the link reaches to the same image which we want to send to our customer. Yes guys, this is the same image which I want to send to my customer, which I have shown it to you in my Google Drive account. So you have seen how successfully the integration has worked. Now let me take you back to my Pabbly Connect account. Guys, the workflow which we have created today, this present workflow, I'll add the link of this workflow in my description box. Okay, now if you'll click this link, you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account, guys. So don't forget to go and check the link.
Hello guys, before you leave, let me tell you, not only just these applications, but you can integrate tons of other applications by using Pabbly Connect. If you want to contact us, this is our email ID, admin@pabbly.com. If you have any further queries, you can always visit to this website. And guys, if you really liked our video, please don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. It will really keep us boosted and we will keep providing you such videos. Thank you.